It's not the greatest, but it'll do. A little bit better. This one over here sucks. Like I said before, I am not a fabricator, not a welder. Just a little hobby guy. All right, that should be good for now. So I had already tacked these in place prior to starting the video. Of course, I used the Fireball Tools Mega Square. These things are incredible for getting things nice and square. They've got adjusting tabs you can use on the sides to get it nice and square. I don't know if I would have been able to do as good a job of getting things square on the Firebox had I not had this Fireball Tool Mega Square. I have two of them. They're kind of on the expensive side, but well worth it. If you plan on doing a lot of stuff like this. Not that I plan on doing a lot of stuff like this. It's just that when I see somebody with a tool and I feel as though I need the tool, I don't ask the wife, I just get the tool. That's just the kind of guy I am. I can't tell you how many things I have snuck into my house without the wife knowing. Hopefully she won't watch this video, because if she does, it's kind of over for me. But anyway, just wanted to give you a little bit of welding there. I'm going to try to test fit the counterbalance weight on the back of the firebox. I'm sorry, on the back of the smoke chamber now. Try to mock it up in place as best I can. And then I'll come back and continue.